Atedi, wacha nikaribishe Merinjao. Merinjao, karibu sana. Unmute mic yako, you say hi.
Asante sana. Thank you for having me. And as you saw, Manchester won. We won a 2-0. And
they won.
tuna face Sunderland.
Oh,
And we
you
won a
playing which team?
2-0. I think
Which team?
ile timu ya nani ya Granit Xhaka.
Hiyo ndio yenye
That
Boni
one.
ana support.
Yani tulichapa Arsenal. in better times tulichapa Arsenal. But looking at the game, analyzing the game as a panelist, I would say that Manchester played well. Honestly, tulicheza vizuri. Hopefully even not tutacheza the next matches, but if we don't, Amorim must go. He must go. He must go.
Now, by the way, question on that, Merinjao. Are you guys right now playing well? Ama tu ni venye ni Sunderland? Ama you guys hapo mmepata some form? Ama ni Sunderland?
Honestly, I would say that hatueleweki, hata sisi hatujielewi. Sisi kama mashabiki ndio sisi tunaumia, hatuelewi because you know we have to save the face of nani, we have to save the face of Amorim, Ruben Amorim. But I'm hoping that putting in mind that we came in with a new goalkeeper, I'm hoping that we'll do better because I think he's a good one. He's a good one for us. And I'm hoping that venye tulicheza hiyo form venye tulicheza nao, venye tulicheza against Sunderland, I hope that's the form that tutacheza now. I think so far so good. I would say so far so good, but well.
So are you confident going to Anfield? Uko confident going to Anfield?
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm not, honestly.
Liverpool are in the mud. They lost to the world champion.
Honestly, me being a football fan from I don't know when, ukiangalia venye Manchester tumekuwa tukicheza in the past form, especially under the Sir Alex Ferguson, looking at how we used to play and how we are playing right now, you feel like it's a joke for Manchester, honestly, because it's not the form that we had. Si ile Manchester tulikuwa tunajua. Hii ni Manchester ingine. And looking at how we are playing against venye tumecheza the recent games, and looking at now, it's tough. I don't think we are ready facing a big team, honestly.
Well, okay. Santa Sada Merinjao. Let me also give General wa Sunderland atupatie maoni yake kuhusu hiyo game. Boni, ulionaje game ya Sunderland na Man U?
I'm still in shock because of Man United winning against us. I think that was the biggest mistake that our coach did yesterday for allowing Manchester United to win. But we know those are
shock.
It is my turn to talk. United, please. So I'm saying those players from Man United, they are very weak. We pressed, but unfortunately they won. But what we want to say is that Manchester United did not just improve with their performance when they play against us. They just used their chances and they won. But we did not feel their evidence when it comes to the gameplay, footwork. They are a very weak team. I think they are not going to win another match. That was just by luck. And they are going to be relegated. Winning against us yesterday was a big shock, actually. Because we won 3 games in a row. So why would Manchester United win against us? So I was shocked again. But we allowed them to win because they have been really crying when it comes to performance. But we gave them those 3 points. Next time, we are not going to allow them to win. They are a very weak team. And we hate Manchester United. The enemy is Man United and poverty.
Wow, just wow. Ati? Wow. Ati the enemy is who again?
Manchester United, poverty, alafu addition unaongeza Man City hapo. They just used money to manipulate. the other players from different leagues. Money cannot buy
But at
happiness.
least,
Money cannot
but
buy trophies.
Bonnie, at least when you're big because you can't keep off thinking about Manchester United. That's we're always
Who
rotating
is
in your
big?
mind.
Who is big?
Manchester United. Because you keep
What
on thinking about us.
No. I was trying.
Kufikiria.
I was giving my analysis because you defeated us yesterday. You know, I'm a big Sunderland supporter. So winning against us, then I just concluded that the enemy is Manchester United, poverty, and then you add Man City because they use money to buy players and to corrupt the FA.
At least when you're big, and we agree we are big. We can't even we can't even compete on that. We are big. That's why you keep on keeping.
That's true. Big losers, you're big losers. I can give that.
Yes, big losers. We can agree big losers because Brentford they won. You are almost
Brentford
being clobbered
lost.
by Burnley, so we know you are big losers.
But imagine you're competing against a Manchester that is struggling, and you Chelsea people are 1 point ahead of us. Make it make sense to me how a Chelsea that is on form is 1 point ahead of a Manchester that is struggling. Please make it make sense to me.
Are we ahead or not?
Acha tupatie Kelong respond. Kelong ndo mtu wa Chelsea. Kelong, how do you respond to that?
Are we ahead or not? That's the point.
You are ahead.
10 points. We are ahead. So
go ahead.
Why don't you just shut up until you pass us?
No.
Why don't you zip it up until you are above us? Until then,
imagine me as a Manchester
debate someone below me.
United, I'm struggling. Imagine me as a Manchester United, I'm struggling, and nimekubali, I'm struggling.
Yes, who cares about your
struggle? You have the best players, the likes of Benjamin Sesko and Bruno Fernandes. You bought top players. Why are you struggling? You have Beumo. He was not struggling.
Those are not the best players, Bonnie.
But they spent. Unangojea nini?
Honestly, a world champion, whatever you're calling yourself.
Jesus Christ to come against that you get.
I don't know world champion. I don't. Kelong.
We are not calling ourselves. We are the world champion.
But no, listen, you're world champion. Nakubali.
Thank you very much.
But imagine you're coming. Imagine unakuja na form ya world champion. Bado unakuja uconform, like you have the players you need, you have the people who need to score. But me who is struggling with a coach who I don't know whatever form he's using. Me who is struggling with players who don't even know whatever form the coach is using. And you're just 1 point ahead of me. Make it make sense to me.
Is that my problem?
No, make it make sense to me. Make it make sense to me.
And it doesn't have to make sense to you.
No, make it make sense to me.
We don't care about the team struggling, please. The team is not struggling.
But let me respond to what Merinjao is saying. Merinjao, you have said that Man United, with all these problems, you are 1 point behind Chelsea. And I think the part which Merinjao omit is that Chelsea has a lot of injuries, and the star man, Cole Palmer is out. Don't forget, Chelsea never had a pre-season coming into the new season because of playing the CWC. And Chelsea is still bado ni club tu yenye it's developing. It's not yet at the point to compete for kitu kama the title, but in some competitions kama Champions League, Club World Cup nini hizo because it just needs the team to turn up and win, so hizo Chelsea can compete. So but kwa ligi still bado Chelsea kuna some few issues. And kama uliona hiyo game ya Liverpool Chelsea, hiyo backline at some point backline ilikuwa ni James and Hato, and that is when everyone is fit, it's hard to see a backline ya James na Hato because James mwenyewe hata is injury prone.
You don't have to reason out with Manchester United fan. Just tell them to improve, and they are struggling is none of our business.
Yes. We don't
let them struggle. We don't care. We don't care. You are struggling. You are not struggling. That you are a team that is fighting relegation. Please don't talk to the world champions.
Which one? And you are just 1 point ahead of us. Simple. Which one? Show me which relegation you are going to. Please show me.
last season you struggled to cross the 40 point mark until the last
Alafu
game of the season.
imagine Kelong.
I don't
Me
have
and you can agree that Manchester. Kelong, me and you can agree that Manchester is struggling, but imagine we beat you.
you
Like we
beat
have so
us
many
really.
problems, but Chelsea ain't one of them. Imagine, ain't one of them. We
Yeah,
have so many problems, but Chelsea ain't one of them.
you beat us by sheer luck. That is because
No,
we were 10 men in the
what
field.
a luck!
Hey, the Premier
What a
League does
luck!
not care.
What a luck! What a luck! Whether we won squarely, the thing is,
Boni
we
amesema
beat
aje, the
you.
Premier League does not care.
Exactly.
Yeah, but none the same.
Hiyo mpaka imeguza
Nonetheless,
fan wa Sunderland kwa roho.
nonetheless, I can't debate with somebody in relegation battle. Please spare me the energy.
Relegation, and you're just 1 point ahead of us. Which one?
Are we ahead or not?
With 1 point.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Hello.
1 point.
We
0
just need
point,
one match.
10
We
points.
just need one match. We
Good
just
luck.
need one match.
Get it then come talk to me.
Exactly. Now we get it and we'll come beat you and to our Peter.
In the
Because-
meantime, let me chat a Sunderland fan. They are above me. Those are the people who can talk to me.
Ouch.
I can consider a Man City fan.
Sunderland is below Chelsea. Sunderland is position 9.
Not really. Sunderland is how many points?
Position 9.
Oh, they are 8 points.
Position 9. Timu iko juu ya Chelsea ni kama Palace, City, Bournemouth, Tottenham, Liverpool.
Oh yeah. Kumbe Sunderland pia kidogo Boni sasa kuongea na wewe pia. But anyway, why are we wasting time? Let's talk about the big match of the weekend. Then I go sleep, man.
Yeah, okay. So before that, wacha kwanza tupatie Jalala comment juu ya game ya Manu na Sunderland.
Yeah, nilikuwa nadhani Sunderland watafanya something, but at the end of the day, hizi team ndogo huwezi expect anything from them. Wamekutana na a big team. I guess they shit their pants. They didn't have any ideas. Hawakuwa na ideas hapo.